guys, today's episode is going to be all about accessorization. What's accessorization? It's the art of wearing the right accessories like jewelry, shoes, bags, belt at the right place with the right outfit at the right time. Now, I strongly believe that you can't have too few accessories. You can have a limited wardrobe with lots of accessories, but you can't have a big wardrobe with limited accessories. Accessories enhance your outfit, they add to it, and they make it look more dressy or appropriate for the occasion. That's the beauty of accessories. So what is the right way to accessorize? Well, there's no right or wrong way to accessorize, but the rule of thumb is that less is more. And if you want to put in all your jewelry on yourself on the same day, that's just a very stupid thing to do. Go easy on the jewelry, wear one good piece or wear two good pieces, but don't go overboard. Balance it out, wear them on your hands and then on your neck, or just don't put your earrings and your neck together, it's too close. You put your earrings, don't put your neck. If you put like a high ponytail or a high bun, wear chunky earrings, then you don't need any accessories. Wear a plain outfit, wear bright shoes, wear a dress, a plain dress, wear a big belt. There are so many simple steps and simple rules to accessorization. But if you're still doing what's not conventional, if you still like to wear big earrings and big neck pieces and you still look good, still get compliments, go ahead, nobody's judging you. Now, if your dress has some heavy work on the neck, then avoid wearing a neck piece because it's going to distract from the work and it's going to take away attention from the work, which we don't want. Eventually, it is your outfit which is main. Either your outfit can stand out or your accessory can stand out. So decide. Either you wear a simple outfit with a good big piece of accessory as a statement piece, or you wear a small dainty chain with a very elaborate outfit. If you're wearing a simple jeans and a t-shirt and you still want to add interest to it, remember I showed you something like that in the last episode. I wore simple jeans, simple t-shirt, I just threw a scarf around it. And I wore shoes, I carried a colorful bag, color coordinated everything, good to go. If your outfit is really drab, if you're not liking your outfit and you're too lazy to change your outfit, the simplest idea that I can give you is accessorization. Just put on your best piece of jewelry, perfect. So I have a few accessories of my collection which I'd like to show you. Now, does not mean that these accessories will suit everybody. These are things that look good on me. There are different earrings for different shapes of faces, but you have to pick the thing that looks best on you. Neck pieces, you can always just pick anything you like, but it always has to add length to your neck, it has to add grace to your style, it has to complement your style. So I'll just show you some things that I have and some things that I like to use very often. So starting with this piece, so my favorite color is turquoise blue and I actually have a lot of pieces in that. These are two of my favorite pieces in turquoise. Now this piece, because it's got all these pearls on it, I just like to wear my plain blue jeans, wear a nice pair of nude heels maybe, and put this on with a white t-shirt because the pearls complement the white t-shirt. Actually, sometimes I wear ripped jeans, a plain white shirt, and I put this on. It just always adds to it. Same with this, but actually this would also go with this outfit because the stone is going really well with the print. But I chose to wear this because I'm already wearing the jacket. Coming to long chains, I really like this piece. It's got this tribal Indianish look to it with the fringes and the chains. And I like to wear this with a simple t-shirt just to add a pop of this blue pink that it has in it. I love rings. I love to wear rings. I permanently wear a ring, but I also like to wear a lot of pearls. So today I thought to add to the white, I'll wear some pearl rings. This is a knuckle ring, which is very new as of now. And this ring is again something that I got from an exhibition. It's got, you can put both your fingers through it and it's got 3 different pearls. Now, here's a very chunky, colorful necklace which goes with the most simple clothes. It adds so much detail to my clothes. This is a really old piece. These were the things that were in fashion way back like 2-3 years ago. But this still looks really good, and once in a while I just like to wear this when I'm really lazy and I'm wearing simple clothes. I just like to wear something like this. And then I have this, which is a very different piece. It's like a rubber tube with 3 beads on it, and I just put it on and it's a choker. This, someone gifted it to me from Africa, and it's by far one of the best pieces I have, and whenever I wear it I get complimented on it. So I like to collect different kinds of jewelry, something that goes with all my clothes, and my accessory is always the highlight of my outfit. So I also have this pair of chandelier earrings, which I'd actually got for my graduation. Again, these are pearls with crystals, and they look really nice when worn with Indian clothes, and sometimes I like to wear it with a plain white dress as well. I have a lot of other earrings like this one and then this blue one with the stone. I'm not a very earring person, I just like to wear studs, but once in a while I do like to put on these colorful pieces to just add some color to my outfit. I also like this handcuff which I have, which is really chunky and it did look really smart. Finally, I just have this cluster of bracelets. Actually, I like to stack bracelets a lot. So I have this cluster of bracelets and bangles, and I just steam them all together and it looks really cute, and I don't need any other accessories. So this was it for my collection of accessories and the way that I like to accessorize. These are just simple tips that are going to help you accessorize better to enhance your outfit and make the best use of the clothes that you actually have in your wardrobe. If you liked this video, then please click the like button, and if you're not already subscribed, please go subscribe. See you next week.